Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can check manufacturing date of OPPO mobile. So to start, you will need to copy the email address, or the email number of your phone. So go into settings, about device category, then status, well, not version, status. Copy whatever email number you have over here. Then open the web browser that you prefer or that you use. Go for the email.info website. In here, input or paste the email number of your phone. Then perform the CAPTCHA check. Then hit the check button. Onwards, amongst the available specifications that the web page will provide you with, go for warranty and country. And over here you have the registration date. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.